Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the control sticks Nintendo Switch Joy-Con 2 controller. We go to settings and controllers accessories and go to calibrate the sticks now. We enter into the calibration mode and have a look because we check that the controller is in the center. If it is drafting or not in the center, you should perform a calibration, as you can see. Within the calibration, it's easy, as you can see. You use the stick to target right, up, down, left, and so on, and then you have make a circle around. That's the calibration is completed. Of course, you should perform this not only with the Joy-Con 2 on the left side. We can make this on the right side as shown before. Easy peasy, the same thread, of course. If you does not like to save these settings, you can go back to default settings by using the Y button. We can make a calibration by the X button, and then calibration is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.